Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit Canva templates, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I am in a completely blank project, and I'll be showing you guys how to get to a template first. Now, you'll be in the templates page once you start everything up, but from here, you can choose whichever template you want. If you have the pro version, you can choose any of them, or you can choose whichever one you want. Let's say, for example, this one, since it's free, I am in the template, or as they call it, a design. You can see pre-made pages. You can see the color scheme. You can see similar designs or templates. I'll just take the title screen for example, and now as you can see, it has been inserted. It does have its own background color. It's sort of a very light beige. I can delete it and change it to white if I want to. I'll keep the original one though. And here you can see the text and the other elements. You have, for example, this circle or this shape. You have this text box right here. If you click on it, you can move it around. Same goes with everything else. You can select multiple pieces and then click group, and it'll group them together into, well, in this case, it's sort of a logo. You can again change the text however you want. You can change the font, you can change the font size, you can make it bold, but if you want to edit it already, you make sure you select the actual text like so, highlight it, and then you can make it bold or make it not bold. You can italicize it or not. You can change the color of the text. You can underline it, cross it through. You can add different effects such as curvature. You can also add animations, change the positioning either manually with your mouse or adding the actual format to it by going to positioning, and then you can format it to the left, to the top, to the center, to the bottom. You can do a lot of different things. You can push it back into the background, or you can push it forward into the foreground. You can edit the layers as well. You can do a lot of different things, but once you edit it however you want, it'll stay like that. And that's pretty much it. It'll automatically save it to the cloud, and your design will be changed. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.